kids anymore. I will come and adjust when I need to adjust. And some women are going to look pan. But this is for Uno in a Jamaica. Some of Uno will still have picnic left for Jamaica. Some of Uno will still have family left for Jamaica. This is for all of Uno. The people and the gangs want to go and kick off them door in a 2 and 3 o'clock at night. With be a police. I want to go in and go do no act, want to come out, because I want to find gun in there. And he was wanted. And he was a suspect. You understand? I believe that the police, is the police force created criminals. Yeah, uno drive fear in the young people them. Cause them afraid of uno. Uno put fear in them. Uno will say uno a JCF police force. Some of uno, yeah. Put fear in the youths them, yeah. Cause when them soon them afraid. Cause them not have nothing for you. Uno come in and creep them up. And throw them in a van back and say, hey boy, I got this up. Them not for do nothing. Yeah. Uno. Them not have to do nothing. Come and creep up and group of them and throw them. Throw, cause who Uno want, Uno not gonna find them, you know? I think I know about these things long enough. It's some of them what them I look for them not find them, you know? I am not saying criminal are not here. But what I'm trying to say is the criminal will not look for will never find that man. All when you get information about him, sometimes you still can't find them. Who them relative or who them associate with the walk and creep up, them always be the victim, them always have to pay the price for who you can't catch. Cause here be now to be now. When you come on my head and say another sting operation. Right? And my pleasant viewers, they came at my house and said they were doing sting operation. How are you going to be searching for a man that they don't even know his name? Tell me where it go. No more ask the people them. Because someone upon here is putting out my baby father as a criminal element. How can a police officer come at my house and they don't even know who they are looking for? Oh, you come at my yard and you don't know who you look for. If him is a criminal element, you're supposed to know him by name and him alias and how he looks like. Or if you work at such somebody where you don't know about. That means that your criminal police friend tells you to go dig up the yard, yeah. So I walk on and dig up people's yard. And that's what you do, you know? That's what you do. That is exactly what you're doing. I walk on and dig up people's yard. Because how can you come for somebody that you don't even know his fucking name? Me I ask you know. Me I ask the people them to the public. Me I ask TikTok. Me I ask the world. And you honest, we need answers. Me not stopping. Me need some answers. Because how can a person of a JC Jamaican Constable Force come to your yard, come to you, them don't even know your name. They don't even know what's your name. I just gonna show them what your name. What is the name with ID? So now what's my baby for that criminal element? Don't I say? I will live here so I will not live now. I will not live as a customized to know. I want to know, you know. I will not live up to date. I will live in arrangement not good and not clean to phone perspective. What I do? Because how can you from the JCF force come at somebody's house to a person that you don't even know their names? You don't know them name. I look at somebody on TikTok. I say, alright, I'm going to try to look close out of the sour one, yeah. Because look how she be going stay bad and dirty. Yeah. And that one I do. That's why you do that. Because if you know Jake's name, you wouldn't ask him what his name. If he might tell you what his name, if he record what his name. You know, so you come for Jake's. Come with me. Talk to me now. I want you to talk to me as what I say. No come about nobody on the internet. Attack me come about. Buy one water for me. Buy one water for me. Come on, oh me, if you got to smile, I don't know them name. Chaan, me not stupid, Chaan. You don't know, them don't know Jakes. Them not have no rap sheet, no nothing, no imprint, no nothing. Come on, make sure tell my blood clot, baby, first, listen to me now, you. It's what you do your fuckery. I tell me not me, JLOs, and prison, I'm not good my ID if you don't visit. My ID, I forgot about Western Union. MoneyGram, it have to do with something with money. You're there for your own. I mean, I teach that one that you too. Yeah. My motto that, me I teach him too. My JLO, so my ID now go. Me don't want a problem around me, coming a problem, smaddy. Me tell him that. Me tell him as my man. And since me there, I say, look here now. When you see them try to say something, don't answer nobody either. Because them way, think me I make the world. Although me I try, do me I do and I try. You know me I do. And I quint. Them will think me have the world in here. I want an argument to them. If you have an argument to them, I'll make you them for them come sue me for me not have. No, in an argument to nobody not pay them no mind. But so long and tell him. Yeah. But so long and tell him. Because me hear people come tell me, oh, me I buy gun. Don't forget money for buy gun no more put for them. Me wanna live nowhere. Me wanna live nowhere and decide say me not gonna rent no blood clad place to pay how much in month. Me not decide for go rent nowhere. Me no want live in a people house. Me alright to me. House not my problem. Also, not my problem. If me want bed, me come rank and buy any amount of bed I want. And then I want sheet, I come rank and beg and buy any amount of things I want. So what you think clearly, so I think about that is not the blood clot ending of the story. It doesn't reach in the blood clot book. If I want bed, I can come beg and buy expensive bed. If you tell me 3 months to buy one expensive bed, I buy it. When the last now 1 years. Not true, I catch you so. Me not live here. Me don't live here. I don't catch. It's catch. Me come. Me not live now. Catch. My days for a period of time. Me tell you that already. Me not need to come explain to us. I don't want to come about it now. Me not need to come explain to no. What me I want to plan for do. You understand? What me need to tell it, what need to know is if my baby father, because the whole of them attack about my baby father criminal, Shibad and the whole of them, Mountain and the whole of them, if my baby father criminal, how comes them don't know him fucking name? Me ask the public. The 4,000 I don't know what they on TikTok gonna answer me because I have no sense. Who are come with a story that who him know this and know, I don't give a fucking care who him know. You can know people and talk to anybody. So you don't know me. You don't know Jakes. You don't know Jake's name. You know the description of Jakes. Jakes no there in a big blue book run at the precinct. One reason for come here. We need answers. Me want to ask the Prime Minister this too, you know. And when me done, I got voice note Mr. Hilton. And if me have Andrew Owens number to my voice note him too. Because Andrew wanna violate human rights. Wanna collect taxpayer money. For some of them still don't do shit. Me gonna ask me MP. When me done, you have a come to this, I mean, I'm not joking blood clot. No, my head not good. Nothing to me is a mad somebody. I don't know how you're gonna get that because I don't have no link to her. She just come here randomly. I don't know how you're gonna get that, sir. Drink my water. Come my throat dry. Mr. Hilton, good afternoon. Rosealee speaking. I want to know this question, right? About the JCF force. Can a police officer enter your home, right? Say them a come do sting operation when the person that you are coming for, you don't come with, remember saying, no, you don't come with a name. You don't come with a name, you know. You don't know who you're looking for. You don't know what you're looking for. So why them come and dig up my house? You don't know who you're looking for. That is my tongue. It play for my brains, you know. You don't know my baby father name. I know him you look for. Who you look for, Olivia? So who you look for? Where you dig up for? Them have it on the internet for tell me say my baby father is a criminal. How can my baby father be a criminal when the JDS Sport don't even know his name? They don't know him name, you know? They don't know him name. They don't know his name, Mr. Hilton. Mr. Hilton, I need justice and I need some answers. I want some answers. I need some answers. That's my boss. I said it. Oh, you make people go, oh, Rosealee have no warrant. No warrant, and you don't even know who you are come look for. Because everyone said Jake's are the criminal element. Because you know, no count, don't know his name. Can you be coming to a criminal that you don't know his name? He's not no criminal. What kind of information? Where is the information? What kind of information? Can you have information about something you don't? How can you get? Let me not shout when I'm saying this. How can you get information about somebody and forgot their names? Let's put warrant aside. Because obviously most of the time them that the police them stop people and come at people and them not have warrant. Me never see one warrant issued yet. Only when them want warrant issued for bailiff come for them find it. Me I go up on some program go talk out some things about some own, you know. Only when you don't want bailiff you no do warrant, I want to know what people warrant to be arrested on a fine warrant. Me never see a search warrant yet. I'm a 31 living in Jamaica. Me want to ask Andrew all of these questions. Yeah. Me never see one yet. Me never see one search warrant yet. When me got court, me hear about warrant for arrest. Warrant for arrest. Warrant for arrest. Me never hear about search warrant yet. Because I don't need it. When you can barge in a people place and deal with them like dog and vomit. And so you could have come in here. And that's why Jake said have to walk around when the police them going back and you could have come in here, plant gun upon him and shoot him and say I'm a criminal. I have to do all the while. It's all the while you not do it. It's all the while you not do it. I who this? Yo. Where they? Yeah, make me who talk. It's all the while not do it. All the while do it. Kick down people door. People. Some of the time the police them come analyze man for hearsay. Things that happen in our community here says that man I never seen before in action. But you just say, you around the place. And them walk and tell people, yeah, you around the place. Me yes, you around the place. And that them walk and do. You never know? But see ya. Make the Jamaican people tell you no. Them no investigate. No investigation. Them a tell us a year on the place. And if you look upon them and say, what did the police boy, man? Them hate you for life. You have to, you say, if you don't come out, you have to run like thief or you're dead. Oh, I said to work here, bro, Baba. No freedom of speech. And at that, them a collect people tax me about to serve and to protect. See, even the first guarantee I'm living now. As spoiled as me come from, spoiled as me grow, spoiled as Central Kingston, Matches Lane, Chancellor Lane, Luke Lane, the whole Spanglers, Central Kingston. Me never see one different, and my eyes set me use. Me work off of me ears, because that can't go court. Yeah. Because here's a mix up. Here says mix up. Me nah say we don't have people here doing things, you know, but go and catch them. Don't walk and look for innocent people and terrorize them for your own safety and belief and hype and stripe. Me not say we not have people here do things, you know, I could never come tell you that. But go and look for them. Yeah. Go and look for them. Go and look for them. Because we don't go on operation and seize money and gun and ammunition and everything we bring in. Because we are a thief. When you get the car say that truckload is full of pure ammunition and guns and rifle and the things then. I want to go in night, want to fall about 50 gun in night, now bringing 30. And the rest of them want to go to friend them for hide. We need human rights and we need justice. We don't have no human rights here in Jamaica. No, even when we protest, we don't deal with like vagabond. Yo. So they deal with people. Even one night when I run a dashi, one of them are going to make me know, say, call your yard. But so I say deal with people, you're not God, I'm not going to run. If you say go home, I'm going home. But they don't deal with people like that. Yo, so the next thing, any group of people then go creep them up. You have no people, you have people there prison who are acute. You have people there prison who actually do, you know, I have enough wrong for people whenever they shit. They don't even know about it. Yeah, we have to stop it. And we have to stop it. There's a difference when somebody's doing something and somebody's not doing something. You cannot be telling me that you're hearing that I'm doing something when you're not sure about. Someone who don't even sure. You don't sure. Because you can't hear say nothing. You know that can't work in a law book. For the police officer that is here watching my life, because I know someone who do. You don't know that can't work in a law book. Me hear say. You know for sure. You don't have to have evidence and have to have proof. That can work in a law book. Because when I go to court and say, Your Honor, me here, so Your Honor say, hey, we don't do use that. They're mix up. That's mix up. Here, sir, mix up. Here says mix up. I don't violate my human rights or privacy. No, me not a privacy again. If I don't know my belly big and cover my crutches. And I have to put out in the world to me. Don't it? I don't think it's funny. I don't think it's funny. I don't think it's funny. I don't think it is very funny. Yeah, man, because they want a joke outside. Well, the jokes is not for me, the joke is for Uno. I'm a squad, I'm a team member. Yeah. Because you never know so many people that come out and stand up a full time now. Worse election season. But want justice. Me not put no ink until me can get justice out of my situation. Anytime me can say a party member with a labor right party make me get the justice that I deserve and the justice for all of the people that you can see my ink. We can do all 50 ink one time. It's like ink out so but me not do no ink, but me not see no justice to the people them. Me not do it. Because what I'm gonna vote for? Same corruption. Me go vote for my son reach at 10 years and come kick off door, take him and say him do this and him don't do that. I want him in him house because when he hear say I want to see him and say something to him and him say back something to you because him face down not like him. And I'm gonna vote for? No, that's why I not vote because if I see the future for my people for me vote. I never voted at me at 31. Yeah. Me not follow politician I'm at 31. Because I not see the sense of vote. I not see the sense. I don't see the sense in voting. Because I grow kids. I have a son. I saw when he reach and I tell that age, police see him and say, yo, look, yo. And I say, you can't call me so one take. You know my father, you can't deal with man so. And just because him tell the police you can't deal with him. I also tell him all that, you know. Yeah. All that them use and turn in a criminal to say you're a gunman. And you're not supposed to talk to them like that. How you spoke to me is how I can respond to you. Some of them have manners. Me not vote. Anytime me have vote, it has to be for a reason. So my younger ones that I'm growing and the future for the young people them is secure. I don't want to tell you, I don't want to go down on certain details, you know. Like I leave that. I leave that part. No. And PMP and Labour need to step to the forefront with this. So my advice can be heard. So I can say, okay, then I receive the justice for me and the justice for other people. We need to change the law book. We need search warrant for come at people yard. Yeah. And when you come our yard, when you come to our yard, we need to say you have nothing your friend for plant. Because sometimes we don't do that too. That me a vote for search warrant. We not have that, we can't enter people's premises. No mask. We want to see the face. Identify yourself when you come to it. Say a Tom John and Mask John. No mask. We are mask up for. We are mask up for. That means that no trace, no case. That's not the way. That's what I'm for vote for. I could have word this. No face, no trace. You want to talk to the Prime Minister privately? Somebody tag Andrew Holness here for me. Or if this video goes on Pink Wall, tag Andrew Holness in this. Andrew Holness, why is you are running a sting operation and you have to be masking up your face? No face, no trace. That means that we cannot see who are going to abuse we. No face, no case, no trace. We can't see who are going to abuse we. No mask. If you is a police of the law on a graduate in a police for only one not graduate never graduate in a mass, everybody saw on the face. One big ceremony of graduation I keep. I want to collect on the honors on the reward. I want to collect on the uniform on the bag. We never there for mass for collect it. So why people can't sue who can't sue? Because we are civilian. Me want to sue me attack to Andrew Wellness. We need search. There come people come search warrant for searching. Like how they can issue warrant for arrest. We want that. The people in Jamaica no strong and vote for foolishness, you know. Top vote. Because we have human rights. Because somebody can come to me and see them face. What sense that make? That's what means that in court. That means that we need body cameras. We need facility, we need body cameras. That means that in court. So you know the system I tell me say in a court, we not have no human rights. We can't even help ourselves. Some of we can't help ourselves. Some who can't help ourselves in court. And now we are 50 or 30 lawyer. We can't help ourselves. We cannot help ourselves. We need justice. And it's a long time. We don't need to change the law. Adjust it. Understand? Okay. Eric, bye. Eric, bye. Come on, I got about stop talking about you if I'm a liar. I don't even tell my liar that. Me I talk to the people them. Me I talk to the people them of the world. What do you mean by? Anybody else come off of this and don't tell me what to say and what to say. Don't tell me that. Anybody else can sit down and talk on their platforms. I have seen where people sit down and talk about this on their platforms. When them give speech, I hear them give speech about crime and violence, how them want it to stop. So why me can't say that to me? All of them can them a speech them give. All them a speech them give when I don't talk about what I'm talking about. Why can I not talk about the slackness that I have seen my 31 years here in the world in Jamaica from the JCF force? Why? Why? Me no call no name. Me can't talk it all pan news and when I go, I can't say the same thing. I don't commit no crime. Me can't talk, but I go pan news if a star come at the same thing, me tell a star. Anyway, I go the same thing, me talk out of my mouth. Me not got no spit in my mouth when I talk. I same thing me talk, so why can I talk it? I got through you one of them. Me not incriminate myself. Me I call out people name nope. I'm talking about individual. Me not call no name. Me never say them data, but me not post nobody. Me I talk about corruption system. What you mean by? Can I talk about it? I eat. This is freedom of speech. And I eat happen to me. And I eat me I talk about. That's what happened to me. And if I never open my mouth, if it never reached to me and I opened my mouth, I wouldn't have been receiving answers from people. So that shows to me that my mouth must never be closed. Anytime people want to come and hear me speak about, I'm going to speak about it. If you don't want to hear, baby, leave. You understand? If you don't want to hear me tell about the criminal aim that is taking on in Jamaica, leave. Go take out the underpants and tear up. You understand? You leave. No. You leave. You understand what I say? Because America, overseas system is way better. You see, if me live in America or somewhere else in the, not in the Caribbean country, but overseas, that police will be in custody right now, mugshot go boy yo, and the things them. Or who would even try. Don't do for them right, nope, they would even try it. Cause them know it's a felony, so they know better. So they would even try it. So let me not say it. They will not gonna try it for true. Cause they know better. So them not gonna try it. Because them have to go by them law book. Where them sit down, where them sit down, where them sit down. Where them sit down, go to school for, graduate for, them have to work by them have to work by them have to work by their law book. Yeah. Stop a one stoplight in front for long I saw 5 police in Carolina. One time in less than 5. We'll never get that yet. We'll stop at one stoplight for 5 minutes. Stop at one stoplight for 5 minutes. So 5 police not correlate less than 5. Oh. Anybody ever stop at a stop at a red at the stop? Up a stoplight and left for more than 5 minutes. The police just carry them there. What's up, baby? I
hate you.
Love you. Yeah, love you, baby. Me too, party my love. I have eaten 2 parties. I have eaten 2 parties. I'm going about my business. Come in, Shakira. Few people that know some request me I didn't come in. Come to my house, big dirty and frownsy. Me not come about that today. Cause me don't know all stories. I want to bunny night. So I don't know my piece of big. Me not look. Chat. Last night me there here and me I tell you say boy, it look like say when it look like say what took place with me Saturday morning, each time I reflect on it, me no can't talk ball. Me can't stop ball. I just say go yeah man. And I said no go. I want to put this across the board. You see one look on nigga one named Spice. Me I was him at the box. Me don't know he sees something in me that I can't see. But I wouldn't say him alone. Most of y'all see something in me that I can't see. And his power to protect people. Power. We have power, you know. We have power. It's power to protect our human rights. And the situation is not about where I live or how I'm living. It's about how you invaded my private space. That is what it's about. So all who know the pan house and this, it's not about that. Nobody cares about how you're living. The great Nicki Minaj once said, and let me tell you what she said. To live doesn't mean you're alive. Yeah. What that mean? Eh? What does it mean? To live doesn't mean you're alive. So, it's not where you're living. It's what you're living for. Life can take you many places, baby. No. That's why I don't like some of the duns, uneducated scumbags that come on the internet with their fake pages that walk and to be troll. Life can take you places, baby. You can be living in a dump and then let next minute you're living like a movie actress or a star.